Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you're tired of spending hours cleaning your floors, then you're in the right place. Today we're reviewing the Shark AV752 Ion Robot Vacuum. This powerful robot vacuum features a tri-brush system that combines side brushes, channel brushes, and a multi-surface brush roll to handle debris on all surfaces. With intelligent cliff sensors, the Shark Ion robot can sense ledges and stairs, avoiding bumping into furniture and walls. But what really sets this robot vacuum apart is its smart capabilities. With the Shark Clean app, you can start and stop cleaning and schedule your robot to clean whenever you want, all from your phone. Plus, with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, you can easily make the robot clean at your command in your connected home. With up to 120 minutes of runtime, the Shark Ion robot can provide whole home, floor to carpet cleaning for up to 2 hours. And you can rest easy knowing that this robot has been built, tested, and perfected by Shark to give you a reliable, ultra-powerful clean. So, if you're ready to revolutionize your cleaning routine, click the link in the description to get your own Shark AV752 Ion Robot Vacuum. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.